Welcome, my friends. First, let's get to know where you are watching us in the comments. Mix lemon with Vaseline. You will be shocked. If I knew this before, here are the 20 most important benefits of this magical mixture. Moisturizing dry skin. Vaseline works as a powerful moisturizer for the skin, and when mixed with lemon, which is rich in vitamin C, it can help moisturize and soften dry skin. Lightening dark skin. Lemon contains natural bleaching properties that help lighten dark spots and pigmentation when used regularly with Vaseline, reducing the appearance of scars. Thanks to the bleaching properties of lemon and moisturizing Vaseline, this mixture can help reduce the appearance of scars and pigmentation resulting from acne. Fighting signs of aging. Vaseline acts as a barrier that protects the skin from dryness that can cause wrinkles, while lemon helps renew skin cells thanks to vitamin C. Exfoliating dead skin. Using this mixture as a natural exfoliator helps remove dead skin and renew skin cells. Treating chapped lips. This combination is an effective solution for treating chapped lips thanks to the moisturizing properties of Vaseline and nourishing lemon. Treating cracked heels. Applying this mixture to cracked heels helps heal and moisturize them effectively. Whitening knees and elbows. Lemon works to lighten dark areas of the body such as knees and elbows, while Vaseline maintains their moisture. Protecting the skin from wrinkles. Vaseline helps maintain skin moisture, which reduces the chances of wrinkles appearing, especially when combined with lemon. Treating acne. Lemon contains antibacterial properties that help treat acne, and Vaseline can reduce irritation. Improving skin freshness. This combination works to improve skin freshness and make it look brighter. Deeply cleansing pores. Lemon helps to deeply cleanse pores and remove dirt and impurities, while Vaseline protects the skin from dryness. Unifying skin tone. Regular use of a mixture of lemon and Vaseline helps unify skin tone and get rid of dark spots. Treating stretch marks. This mixture can reduce the appearance of stretch marks and make the skin look smoother. Treating minor burns. This mixture can be used to treat minor burns and relieve pain. Cleaning nails. This mixture helps clean nails and lighten the skin around them. Treating dark circles. This mixture can help reduce the appearance of dark circles under the eyes. Protecting the skin from environmental factors. Vaseline acts as a barrier to protect the skin from wind and cold, while lemon boosts the skin's immunity thanks to vitamin C. Moisturizing dry hair. Using this mixture on hair can help moisturize it and reduce frizz. Gently removing makeup. A mixture of Vaseline and lemon can be used to gently remove makeup while keeping the skin moisturized. Conclusion. Using natural mixtures such as a mixture of lemon and Vaseline can be a safe and effective alternative to many traditional skincare products. By showcasing these 20 benefits, it will attract more viewers interested in natural skin and hair care. To receive all the latest news, activate the bell button and subscribe.